favor the Holy One. Okay? Then we open the cassette video, radio cassette, then we play the prayer of Father. So they are already blessed, but not really ceremony. So that time we bless many photos already in Manila. And even the born again Christian, pastor, we also bless them, then they took photographs of their parents. So yan, yung mga santo-santo nila. Mga ganyan, sinibless namin. Tapos meron pa nga kami binless na umiwas siya. Sabi ko, ano ko ba nilibig yun? Ayun siya ko eh. Akala ko ano siya, yung may sapi ka, kaya umiwas. So yun si dito. Yan, so, yan, punta kami sa mga Isla Puting Bato. So, we saturated Tondo that time. And then also we were joined by the Japanese elder Japanese missionaries. I forgot their name already. Maybe sometime I should remember their name. But they're very hardworking, more hardworking than us as young people.